Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to deselect in Photoshop. So let's get started. I start by opening Photoshop and loading an image where you have made a selection. To deselect, there are several methods. Firstly, you can simply click on an empty area of the canvas outside the selected canvas. Or you can use keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, press Ctrl+D to deselect the activate selection. You can also use the menu options. Go to the Select menu at the top and choose Deselect to remove the current selection. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful videos here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.